Alright guys, take a look at this channel. This channel has gained over 200 million views and over 2.4 million subscribers just by uploading simple videos about stoicism and life lessons. If you take a look at this channel's earnings, you'll see that this channel is making well over $270,000 every year, just from ad revenue alone. Now, if you check out their most popular videos, you'll see that most of them are racking up millions of views. And their most popular video about stoicism, it's got over 12 million views. With that one video, this channel has made over $60,000 US. Now, here's the fun part. We're going to shamelessly model their entire strategy, so you can also do the same. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own faceless YouTube empire. If you take a look at this channel, you will see that almost all of their videos are longer than 8 minutes. And on YouTube, longer videos mean higher RPM, and YouTube also likes channels that keep people on YouTube for a longer time. And now, if you are thinking that I am going to use these outdated methods like generating scripts from ChatGPT, voiceovers from 11 Labs, images from Midjourney, spending hours on editing, and blah blah blah, then stop thinking this again, because we are not going to waste our precious time on these outdated things. Instead of doing all this expensive and outdated stuff, we will do something unique, something that not many people, including the channel we are modeling, know about. Instead of wasting our time and resources on these outdated methods, we will use the most advanced and powerful AI video generator that can create videos longer than 10 minutes completely from scratch by using just one title or prompt. But before I introduce you to this tool, first we need to find a viral video idea. To find the viral video idea, you have two options. The first and most convenient option is to use a tool like Tubemagic, which is specifically designed for generating viral video ideas and viral scripts for faceless YouTube channels. The second option is to go to the YouTube channel we are modeling, sort their videos by popularity, and create videos on those topics that are already working. But remember that this method is not convenient, and you will run out of ideas after uploading a few videos. It's also not always possible to go viral on topics that already exist. So I recommend sticking with Tubemagic for finding viral video ideas on a regular basis. And the best part is that you can try Tubemagic for just $1 by using the link in the description. So once you have a viral video idea, go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. You can find the link to this prompt in the description below as well. Now, all you have to do is add that viral video title that you got from Tubemagic in place of insert your video title option. After that, hit the enter button, and ChatGPT will give you a perfect prompt that we can use to generate the video using that secret AI video generator. Now, once you have a video idea and prompt, simply go to this tool. You can find the link to this tool in the description and try it for free using that link. After signing up, you will see an interface like this. To start creating the videos, click on the option that says Create AI Video. After that, you will land on this page. Here, you can directly paste your prompt if you are feeling creative, but since many people do not know how to actually get better results from this option, so click on the option called Workflow. Then you will see a lot of options here. You can create short videos, convert your script into a video, create animated videos, and many other different types of videos. But since we are going to create a longer faceless video, I will select the option called Faceless Explainer. After this type of window will pop up. Here, first, you have to select the duration of the video, which will be, of course, 10 minutes. After that, you have to select the platform for which you want to create the video, which is definitely YouTube. Then, you have to type in your prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. Simply paste that prompt here, and then you can add some relevant information to that topic if you want. Then you have to select what type of visuals you want to use in your video. You can use stock videos if you want, or if you want to make your video more engaging and unique, you can select AI-generated clips. Then you can select the music, language, and voiceover for your video. Once everything is set up, simply hit the continue button and bam! This tool will start generating the video for you. But before it generates the video, it will ask a few more questions about your video. You can select these according to your preference. After that, hit the continue button again, and in a matter of time, this tool will give you a professional-looking video like this.
Have you ever felt adrift in a sea of worries, tossed and turned by life's uncertainties? We've all been there, searching for that elusive harbor of peace, that stillness within. What if I told you that the map to this inner sanctuary has existed for over 2,000 years? It's called Stoicism. It's about facing reality, acknowledging both the good and the bad, and focusing our energy on what truly lies within our control. In this series, we embark on a journey through the 12 tenets of Stoic philosophy.
You can change anything in the video just by asking here, and you can also play with the edit option if you want to add your own media. Once you are happy with the result, simply hit the download button. But remember that you cannot download the video without a watermark if you are on the free plan. To remove the watermark, you can upgrade to any of their paid plans, and you can also get up to a 20% discount if you go for a yearly subscription. That's it. Thanks for watching.